Welcome. In front of me is a Oppo F19, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, open up your standalone contacts application, like this one. And in here we're gonna navigate to Fix and Manage, and then you wanna select Import from, I believe it's going to be File. Oh, okay, Manage SIM in this case. Once you select Manage SIM, it will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, and by default, if you have a Google account signed in, it will want to import those contacts to said Google account. Now, if you have multiple accounts, you can choose them from the drop-down right here. I only have one, so I can choose only that one, or I could import these contacts to my device. So I'm gonna select this because most of those contacts already existed on my Google account. By selecting the device, it will create a different category in the list, which I can choose, and this will display contacts that are strictly saved onto the device itself and nowhere else. Anyway, from here we can then manage these contacts. We can deselect some of them if we don't want all of them, and from there click on Import. It will ask us the stupidest question I have ever seen: do you want to basically delete these contacts from your SIM card? No, I don't think you do. So you're gonna select Keep. And the reason I don't recommend deleting them is because they don't really get in your way ever on this device. They are not displayed anywhere. So when you go in here, you won't see them duplicating any contacts. There's no reason for it to be deleted. And it gives you this kind of peace of mind that if something would happen to your phone, you can just wipe out the SIM card, pop it into another device, and you automatically have all your contacts that were on the SIM card accessible to you on another device. Anyway, now that I have imported these contacts, it is still pulling these contacts from the Google account. So I'm going to click right here where I have this T, and this will then show me additional options that I can choose. So by default, right now it's pulling these contacts, like I said, from the Google account. I have imported them to the device, so I'm going to click on that. It's going to switch the location and then display all the contacts that are saved to the account, or well, to the phone more precisely. So there we go. Now, with that being said, if you have multiple Google accounts, you can also swap them right here, and this will show you obviously contacts from the selected Google account or, well, device as well, if you have some saved on the device as well. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.